Ka sorkar pedang menta kasengi kalarai ban pelait no ika jing pentrekam ya ka Central Universities Entrance Test lane ka CUET na baro ki Jaka Pule ki bayeso bat ka Northeastern Hills University lane ka Nehu ha ka jilla ya ka ne layathu do menteri katanat Pule puthi jong ka sorkar jilla ba lakmen rembui ha baikran halor ka ne ka benta na kaliang menteri uloong bahadin bana kaliang ka National Testing Agency lane ka NTA kalau penbenai katarik benthep ki kerteng jong ki khna Pule ban Iakhun ye ka CUET na ka benta ban yo ban Pule ki kerdan bakham hajrong na kaliang ka sorkar jilla kalayele ban don ka jinge kran ban pensngawi ki jing hakmat katanat Pule puthi jong ka sorkar pedang Ula benrap susu baka wei na ki jing kalong namar ba baro ki college hi haka jilla kide ki ba penyeso tang haka wei ka university kata Northeastern University lane ka Nehu bat ka ne kala banwan ra ka jing ka bakrau haka ne ka jing kendo hadin bana kaliang menteri rangba ula pensngawi kini ki jing na kaliang menteri katanat Pule na ka sorkar pedang ula pedang ye ka ne ka rai ban pelaj no ikitu ki college ki bayeso bat ka Nehu ba onam don kamshu ban Iakhun ye ka CUET.
When the NTA has announced the date for the application of form for the Central University Entrance Test, with the notification that all admission into the Central University and its affiliated college should be based on the scores in that Central University Entrance Test. So after that, a series of meeting, communication with the central government to exempt the state of Meghalaya, because Meghalaya, most of the affiliated college, almost all the affiliated college are affiliated to the one single university, that is Nehu, which will find the problem as of now. So after a series of communication, and today in the afternoon, our Honorable Chief Minister met the Minister of Education in Delhi, where it is agreed that the state colleges, state-aided colleges will be exempted from this CUET. But for the college, for the course, even undergraduate course also, who are in the university itself, run, managed by the university itself, Central University I mean, they have to appear this CUET. So the example here, like which run by the Nehu, that they have still to appear through CUET. Also other courses which run by the Central University itself or in their campus, as the case may be. So this is a big relief for the student of Meghalaya, where, as I mentioned time and again, that we are not ready, the mindset of the student, psychologically, the student have not ready, and moreover, that due to the absence of center everywhere, it is very difficult for the students. So I'm very thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister that today, and also to the Government of India through the Union Minister of Education, Dharmendra Pradhanji, that they have agreed to exempt this affiliate college or aided college or state college from this